food, be quick.
Good morning. So today's an exciting day. Brandon finally graduated. It has been an entire year of schooling and all of that. He was technically supposed to graduate I think around May or June this year, but obviously COVID and everything kind of happened and postponed a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, we're just getting ready to go meet him at the base so we could watch him graduate. So I've already been up, got ready. Now I'm just letting the boys eat breakfast, and I'm gonna get them dressed, do their hair, and then we're just gonna be out. So next time you see us, we will be watching Brandon graduate, and I'm just so happy. I'm so excited, and I'm so proud of him. So Brandon, when you're watching this, just know that we're proud of you and we love you. So we'll see you there.
He has been assigned to the 7th Intelligence Squad in Fort George, Meade, Maryland. We have Airman First Class.
Can you open that box up? Open that box, please. What do you think?
What's up with this? It's like for someone with wide feet or something. They could be cousins.
They could be.
Very well could be.
Cheese.
Hold on tight. Don't let go.
Peace out, Josie. Get that man. I think that'd be good.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
Okay. Oh.
Cross your legs.
Cross your feet like this.
Okay, hold on really tight. Squeeze,
Don't let go, okay?
Don't let go.
Don't
Ready?
let go. 1, 2, 3, go!
I want to get down.
Look at your brother. Look
Woo! He did it. Thumbs up, Josie.
Daniel doesn't want to.
All right.
Josie, do you want to go again?
I didn't think you wanted to.
Want to go again?
I'm gonna go on the wheel.
The wheel.
Let's do this one more time.
Wow.
Go one more time.
Stuck the
I
landing
don't
and
want
everything.
to.
Ready?
I don't want to.
You want to do it again?
He says he don't want to, then he wants to.
We're going to go on the thing, but you want to get down real quick?
He's okay. Shake.
Daniel, stand up. Stand your little butt up.
Go, go, go.
We're being a weasel. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster, faster.
Daniel.
Daniel's like, I'm getting sick.
Okay, you
He
can
said,
get up.
please.
Y'all are about to
All right,
race.
boys, go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Faster, faster, faster.
Hey.
Faster, faster, faster. Oh, you're getting out, Julesy? Okay.
I think they got.
Bail out. Oh my
All
god.
right, Kim, our turn. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
It's stupid. Be careful. Oh my god. Look, you see the bull?
Yes.
Whoa.
See, it got fire on it.
Tell him, say hi. You don't like them? it. Come on. I like their. Catwalk. Oh man, I messed up. Period.
How about all three of you go like a train, sit together.
What you found?
Come on, a small pumpkin.
A small pumpkin.
Yeah, there's another small pumpkin.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Can you carry it?
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
Come on.
Find a new one.
Ew, bud.
Yay. What'd you find, Zeke?
Yeah,
That's a... Oh, honey, is that your pumpkin?
Is that the one you want?